Salim, a mesh artist, and I'm responsible for creating this fine masterpiece titled Family. So this work just speaks about the deteriorating family systems in Africa and the need to resurrect these family systems. The material I use, which is the wire mesh, is a material that talks about perseverance, endurance, and patience, and the need for us to have these characteristics in order to have a successful family. Currently, it has been noticed that a lot of expatriates are finding their roots back into their country or in Africa, trying to locate their roots. It's for this reason I created these artworks. The bicycles I used are bicycles that have been imported and some have been found in Ghana. We can imagine the areas these bicycles have been. And the bicycle, we know, it's a common means of transport. So you can see several or series of nuclear families moving towards one direction. So that is the purpose for creating these artworks. So the theme of the Chale is to end the empire of horrors, which is related to the end of colonization. It is true that colonization has ended. People are now finding back their roots, their families that they belong to. That's how it links to the theme.